And it's another hot day in Texas, as you can see, and it's 8:30 at night, and it's cooled down. So I'm just going to muscle through this video because it is really hot in here. I can't run the fan to cool it down when I'm doing the video. But I've been looking forward to do this video because it's on the Slingbow. This is the setup I've got. Zepco 888. Little rod. This is the adapter. Or this is the one of the adapters. This is the other adapter. And I needed to find out how the arrow shot, how it dropped, what kind of a path it took. So that's what I did today. And I shot both the fishing arrow and a regular arrow, and I use a release because when I shoot the Slingbow, I found out the leather tab that came with it I don't like. I had trouble pulling it back, so I used the release. So let's look at the videos, and then we'll talk about the results after that. Alright, this is to check the drop. Fishing rod. Alright, now the fishing arrow again. I want 2 shots, make sure I get it good. When I shot those, there were some things that surprised me. In the intro, there's a slow motion shot of me shooting the fishing arrow, and it drops quite a bit. And when I shot the 2 arrows that were not hooked up to the line, they surprised me by they also dropped, and I didn't expect that. Shot the regular arrow, and it didn't drop, or very little. Well, when I hooked up the string and shot it and got the drop, it dropped the same as the first 2 arrows without being hooked up to the reel. So I took the last shot and I drew back probably another inch to 2 inches. Back to where I should have been anchoring to begin with. Sometimes I get excited when I shoot these videos. And that last arrow, as you've seen, didn't drop maybe an inch from the my regular arrow, and it went right through the box. The fishing arrow has a steel point, and it is a sharp point. The filled tips don't, and that went through the box, and my curtain in the back stopped it, which surprised me. But that had to do with me not properly anchoring back to where I needed to anchor. I thought I was going to have to replace the Dacron because when I shot the arrow that's used in the intro, the slow motion, I was surprised how much it dropped. And I was messing with this and pulling the line out, and it was tough getting out. It was catching and just not, I mean, a lot of friction. So I knew that's what it was. So I took out a lot of the line and wound it back up, not as tight. Excuse me, it's hot in here. And it came out a lot easier. So I think I'll be able to use the Dacron, excuse me. I just got to watch how I reel it in and keep checking it. But it looks like I can use this setup without any other modification. I just got to remember to pull back to the right knock point on the side of my face. But my next adventure is finding a place to go fishing and going fishing. I'm really looking forward to that. I'm still surprised how well this thing works, the hammer system. But hopefully here in a little bit I can find a place, get out, and go fishing. Well, thank you for watching the video.